Hello! Welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, December 5, 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, December 6, 2024. If you like this video, consider to subscribe and leave a like to help this channel grow. Here are the results of the games played today, December 5, 2024. The Boston Celtics withstand 3 points spree to beat the Detroit Pistons 130-120. Jaylen Brown put in 28 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 assists, and Kristaps Porzingis added 26 points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists. While for the Detroit Pistons, Cade Cunningham has 27 points, 9 rebounds, 14 big assist double-double, and Tobias Harris has 27 points, 3 rebounds, and 2 assists. It is Boston's 9th victory and 10 games. The Brooklyn Nets beat the Pacers 99-90 to end a 3-game losing streak. Cameron Johnson put in 26 points, 7 rebounds, 2 steals, and Nick Claxton added 16 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists. For the Pacers, Tyrese Haliburton has 17 points, 3 rebounds, and 8 assists, and Pascal Siakam contributed 14 points and 6 rebounds. The Miami Heat rout Lakers in a lopsided game 134-93. Tyler Hero has 31 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists with 9 3-pointers, and Jimmy Butler has 17 points, 9 rebounds, and 5 assists. While for the Lakers, LeBron James put in 29 points, 5 rebounds, and 8 assists, and Rui Hachimura has 14 points and 3 rebounds. Orlando Magic got 106-102 win over the short-handed 76ers. Franz Wagner led the Magic with 35 points, 7 rebounds, and 2 assists, and Jalen Suggs added 17 points, 6 assists, and 3 steals. While for the 76ers, Jared McCain has 24 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Tyrese Maxey added 16 points, 4 rebounds, and 6 assists. Atlanta Hawks win fifth straight game and end the Bucks winning streak at 7 with 119-104 victory. Jalen Johnson led the Hawks with 23 points, 13 big rebounds double-double, and 5 assists, and DeAndre Hunter has 20 points, 5 rebounds, and 2 assists off the bench. While for the Bucks, Giannis Antetokounmpo tallied 31 points, 11 rebounds, and 5 assists, and Damian Lillard has 25 points, 4 rebounds, and 5 assists. Minnesota Timberwolves cruised to 108-80 victory over Los Angeles Clippers. The Clippers snapped their 9-game home winning streak. Julius Randle led the Minnesota with 20 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists, and Anthony Edwards added 16 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, and 4 steals. For the Clippers, Bones Highland has 18 points, 4 rebounds, and 2 assists, and Derrick Jones Jr. has 14 points. Here is the team standings as of December 5, 2024. Let us have the Eastern Conference team standings. The number 15 team is the Washington Wizards, 2-17 record with 15-game losing skid. Philadelphia 76ers is number 14, 5-15 record. Number 13 is the Charlotte Hornets, 6-15 record with 6-game losing skid. Toronto climbed to number 12 with 7-15 record and has currently 2 winning streak. Number 11 is the Detroit Pistons, 9-15 record with 3-game losing streak. Indiana Pacers continue to slide. They are now at number 10 with 9-14 record and has a 14-game losing skid. Number 9 is the Chicago Bulls, 9-13 record. Number 8 is the Brooklyn Nets, 10-13 record. Number 7 is the Miami Heat, 10-10 record. Atlanta Hawks climbed to number 6, 12-11 record with their 5-game winning streak. Number 5 is the Milwaukee Bucks, 11-10 record. New York Knicks is at number 4 with 13-8 record and has 3-game winning streak. Number 3 is the Orlando Magic, 16-8 record. Boston Celtics is at number 2 with 18-4 record and has 2-game winning streak. And the number 1 team in the Eastern Conference is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 19-3 record with 2-game winning streak. Let us have the team standings for the Western Conference. New Orleans is at number 15 with 4-18 record, 9-game losing skid. 14, Utah Jazz, 4-17 record with 5-game losing skid. Number 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 8-14 record with 2-game losing skid. Number 12, Sacramento Kings, 10-12 record. Number 11, Minnesota Timberwolves, 11-10 record with 3-game winning streak. The number 10 team is the San Antonio Spurs, 11-10 record. Number 9 is the sliding Los Angeles Lakers, 12-10 record with 2-game losing skid. Denver slide to number 8, 11-8 record. Los Angeles Clippers is at number 7, 14-10 record. Golden State Warriors is at number 6, 12-8 record with 5-game losing skid. Phoenix Suns is at number 5, 12-8 record with 2-game winning streak. Memphis Grizzlies is at number 4, 14-8 record. Dallas Mavericks climbed to number 3 with 14-8 record and has 5-game winning streak. Number 2 is the Houston Rockets, 15-7 record. And the best team in the Western Conference is the Oklahoma City Thunder with 16-5 record. Let us have the game to be played tomorrow, December 6, 2024. Donovan Mitchell in the Cleveland Cavaliers will have a tough matchup against the visiting team of Denver Nuggets led by Nikola Jokic in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8 a.m. Luka Doncic in the Dallas Mavericks will try to continue their winning streak against the depleted Washington Wizards, led by Jordan Poole in Capital One Arena at 8 a.m. Brandon Miller and the Charlotte Hornets will try to end their 6-game losing skid against Karl Anthony Towns and the New York Knicks in Madison Square Garden at 8:30 a.m. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander and the OKC Thunder will visit Scottie Barnes and the Toronto Raptors in Scotiabank Arena at 8:30 a.m. The Memphis Grizzlies, led by Ja Morant, will try to maintain their standings against the visiting Sacramento Kings, led by Domantas Sabonis, in FedEx Forum at 9 a.m. Devin Booker and the Phoenix Suns will play against the struggling New Orleans Pelicans, led by CJ McCollum in Smoothie King Center at 9 a.m. The Chicago Bulls, led by Nikola Vucevic, will try to continue their momentum against Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs in Frostbank Center at 9 a.m. The Golden State Warriors will try to end their 5-game losing streak against the visiting team of Alperen Sengun in the Houston Rockets in Chase Center at 11 a.m. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. Thank you so much, everyone.